Today we will make a mayonnaise that will stay good without the fridge. So if you are in a hostel and you don't have a fridge, or you want to make mayonnaise to last for a long time without using any preservatives, this is the recipe for you. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I have made mayonnaise many times before this. The only thing which is different today is we are gonna add kefir to it. Kefir or kefir as some people say is a probiotic. Probiotics are healthy bacteria which not only increase the nutritional value of your food, they increase the absorption of nutrients from your food. Plus, your food will remain good without fridge for a long time. And the best thing about this recipe is we have used coconut oil and olive oil and kefir, and all these things are not only good for your gut, they are good for your skin.
So we'll start making our mayonnaise with some olive oil. Make sure it is extra virgin olive oil. Don't take mayonnaise or any other types of olive oils. Next we'll take some extra virgin coconut oil. Both of these oils are wonderful, as you know, for skin, for hair, for nails and for general health. And so this is like 1 cup of oil. For 1 cup of oil we'll need 1 egg. So this egg is pasture raised egg, and in this 1 egg we will add some garlic. This addition of garlic is a totally personal preference because I like garlic in my mayo, so I'm adding garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can skip this. Anyway, we'll blend the egg and the garlic together, and once it is blended, then we'll add our oil mixture. We have to add the oil in a stream all the while we are blending with the hand blender. And you can see I have chosen a cup with the beak. You can, even if you have a disposable paper cup, you can pinch one of its sides and it will become beak like this, and it will be easier to pour the oil into the egg mixture. Anyway, as you can see, I have used almost half of my oil and the mayonnaise is quite thick. And now we will add our star ingredient, the kefir. Many people complain they cannot take kefir because it is very sour. This is one of the best ways to take kefir if you add it to your mayonnaise, because as you can see, kefir has a lot of health benefits, and if you suffer from any disease of your stomach, of your skin and any other of these things, you must take kefir. And you can find kefir in our clinic. And in addition to kefir, you can find other probiotics also, like sauerkraut, like kimchi, like natto. And if you want to see how to make all these probiotics by yourself at your home, do subscribe to our channel, because our channel is filled with such information and very tasty recipes using these probiotics. Anyway, returning to our probiotic mayonnaise, we will add some flavoring like black pepper, some mustard paste. You can even add mustard seeds, some salt and a bit of stevia just for a hint of sweetness. So as you can see, making mayonnaise is not very difficult. You just have to have the right instruments, and if you have a pointed beaker to pour your oil and this hand blender, making mayonnaise is like a 10 minutes job. I will attach the links to buy all these things online. It's really easy, and once you get these things, you can make your homemade mayonnaise. I have made mayonnaise in hand blender also, but it does not always come out perfect like with the hand blender. Anyway, as you can see, I have made the mayonnaise in a container in which I can store also. So I did not mess up like a lot of things while making mayonnaise. And I personally think planning these things ahead saves you time on washing dishes afterwards.
So this mayonnaise can also be used as a hair mask, and it can also be used as a face mask, and you will see your skin and hair glowing after it.
Anyway, you can see this is the black wheat bread that I made, and I am putting my burger, my tomato slice, my lettuce leaf and my mayonnaise to make this delicious homemade burger. Let me know in the comment section below. Did you find any store bought mayonnaise with such perfect ingredients? If yes, how expensive was it, and how easy it is to make this mayonnaise at home by yourself? In fact, you can further customize your mayonnaise. Like I am adding olives, you can add like shredded vegetables or shredded boiled chicken, and your chicken spread, healthy chicken spread is ready. You can see how thick and creamy our mayonnaise is. You can make healthy sandwiches for your husband for his office, or you can make healthy sandwiches for your kids at school, or you can make a lot of it for Ramadan so that you get a lot of time for prayers and not be focused on cooking always. Let me know in the comment section below, did you make this mayonnaise and how did you customize it? Take care till meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.